Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I am doing a video on this Retina MacBook Pro. It's my personal one because I don't have another one. But what I'm going to be doing today is trying to I'm going to show you guys how to replace the SSD in one of these MacBooks. And this is specifically for the 2015. I'm not sure how the 2013 ones. You should probably go check what the 2013 one looks like inside, and if it looks the same, then you can maybe follow it, because all the other generation of Retinas are different. So let's just get straight to it. First of all, shut the system down. You can see you got a nice reflection there. And if you're wondering, and if you're thinking, how is the delamination issue not like affecting my computer? And that's because I used the thing, I used the thing, like some Listerine, the mouthwash thing, to remove it. There's still a little bit, and I haven't really removed since, but still. So I'm gonna point the camera towards the computer. I'm not sure if my iPad is charging. Okay, that's not good, because if I'm ending the video, let's just wait and see. Because if it says 5%, okay, that's not good. It's at 4% and I'm charging it. Okay, what do I do now? I can't just let it die, because... Okay, I'm getting an iPad charger. You know what? Never mind, because all the... Let's just try and see, okay? Let's just get straight to it. I've been pretty busy this morning doing some Apple stuff. Trying to open it up, operating system things, hard drives. It's not that good how I have to do that, because first of all, one of my hard drives wouldn't boot up, and the computer would shut down before it would even boot into this operating system. So that hard drive is broken in some way. I haven't got to removing and wiping the hard drive and reinstalling Mac OS or OS X, however you want to say it. There we go. So once you've got all your screws removed, and I forgot to say, you need a pentalobe bit. So first of all, you want to get up here and start pulling on it. And if it's not really coming off, don't worry. That's just some clips. You can actually see it right here and right here. And if you think I'm going to clean this part, I'm not. Just to annoy people, because I'm too lazy to get my cleaning supplies out. So anyways, here is our SSD. My precious data is on there. So let's just get a screw. Just a second. Okay, that was just an alarm. Don't worry about it. So we can. Okay, that screwdriver is too big. So let's just unscrew this screw right here, and then we'll be able to remove the SSD. There we go. That's our SSD, and that's kind of dirty. Let me get my brush and just brush it off. It's definitely an anti-static brush. It is, actually. kind of dusty. So that's done. So once you get your new SSD out or spare one, you can just pop it in to your MacBook. You want to push on it a little bit, and you can see mine isn't in all the way. You can tell that by that because the screw hole isn't aligned. Let me just zoom in there. Let me just move this. Okay, that's good. You can just put the SSD in. Okay. It's weird it's not really going in. Yeah, putting it in that way is not going to work, definitely. So one of the rubber feet on top of the heatsink screws fell off. I honestly don't really like doing this. Okay, that's in. You just gotta push a little and then it'll be in. So now you can just screw in the screw for the SSD. There you go. So I'm just gonna test it real quick since this is my main computer. Forgot to do the camera, and I forgot to disconnect the battery. But I think just doing that won't really well, I'm not sure if it'll really kind of break the computer. It might, but just remember to disconnect the battery. I'm so sorry for not doing that. It's just been a little hard for me today because, well, one, the MacBook stuff. So, and there we go. We have the Apple logo and that. So we can just close the lid and just screw everything back in, since so we can just clip the bottom on, put the other screwdriver away, and just start screwing the screws in, because why not? It's pretty quiet right now, so let me just give you guys some entertainment. There, an iPhone 6. Yes, an iPhone 6. And I just want to thank you guys for, I think, around the 65 subscribers. I'm not sure. I gotta check soon. So let's try and make it to 100 subscribers, which is definitely gonna take a long time. So that screw is screwed in. And flip the MacBook over. My screwdriver almost fell off the table. My computer got so many new scratches. Who cares? This computer Kind of sucks anyways. It's so old. So, okay. It's booting up again. I guess it just automatically shuts down when you close the lid. Kind of like that. So, maybe. I'm not an expert on these Retina MacBook Pros. I've always been, the person that has been working on unibody MacBooks, early generation MacBook Airs, especially the first generation. That's kind of the only MacBook Air I have, and it sucks as well. So, here is the MacBook, and there's my face right there, and there's me right here. Hi. So, there we go. Let me just type in my password. Alright, there we go. The one key is not in the best shape. Yeah, you can see it's not in the best shape. This top case is actually kind of trash, actually. But no worries. Let's just get this over with. So, that being said, I just want to say something real quick. On my last video, I fixed my old iPhone 5S. So, my old iPhone 5S, it looks good as new except for the back. If you're wondering where I got the Core i3 and Windows 7 full 1080 stickers, and this one, I got this from my sister. I got this from like an iFixit thing, and this was from my brother's computer. I just get random stickers and stick them on my phone. Oh yeah, Plain Rock 124. No, Plain Rock Vlogs. Yes, yeah, I am subscribed to him. So, yeah, let me just throw that phone on the bed. So, anyways, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, smash the bell, or like, click it. Just click it, okay? Click the bell. And, check out my Twitter at ufelix5, yes. I don't know why the 5 is there. Just forget about it. So, yeah, follow me on my Twitter, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.